Jarvis, turn on lamp.
Okay, sir, turning on lamp.
Jarvis, turn off lamp.
Okay, sir, turning off lamp.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Arbaz here. In this video I will be showing you how I am trying to improve my home automation system, and what I am trying to do is like I am creating a flash website that can control my room appliances like light, fan and all that things. So in my previous video I have already shown you my entire room tour and how I automated all that things. I've automated my AC and all that things using Python and Raspberry Pi and different Arduino boards. So if you have not seen that video, so I will leave a card to that video and you can go to that video and see, so you can get better idea of this thing. And in this video I will be just giving you a brief introduction about how these all things work. If you want a detailed video about how I coded this thing and all the coding part, so just comment down below and also like this video, so I will make one video about that also. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. So let's get started with the video. So guys, here are all the components which I am using. So first of all I am using this Raspberry Pi 3 for controlling the relay module. These are all the hardware components, and I am using this relay module. As you can see, it is a 4-channel relay module, and I am using this bulb, and I am trying to control this bulb using this relay module. So let's just move on to the website. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the website which I am running on my Raspberry Pi, which is a flash based server. And as you can see, there are 2 buttons and it is showing the status of our bulb. So as you can see, the bulb is right now off. So what we will try to do is, first of all we will try to turn on the bulb using this flash server. So I will just press on the on button, and as you can see, it has turned on the bulb. So let me just try to focus on the bulb. So as you can see, it has turned on the bulb, and now what we will do is like we will check the status on it. So as you can see, the status is showing on. So now we will try to turn off the bulb, and side by side I will be trying to show you how what is the output which we are getting. So let me just try to focus on the bulb, and I will press on the off button. So as you can see, it has turned off the light, and if we go back, so it will show us the status of the button. So relay status is off right now. So let's just once more try to turn on this thing. So as you can see, so it is working fine, and yeah, that was it. So I can use any other like phone device or a laptop computer and access this Raspberry Pi Sonoff on my local network, and I'm trying to like do port forwarding so I can control these things in real time on through a website, and I'm still working on that part, but it can be controlled through any devices which are present in my local network, and I can control my appliances using this, and it will show the status of all the appliances in real time. I'm just using one relay module for now because I'm just controlling a single light, but in future I'm will be like doing all this stuff with my room appliances. So I need to like change the wiring of this thing with my Raspberry Pi, so I can use all the 4 relays at the same time. So that was it. So now I will try to show you how I'm using this with the Jarvis AI assistant. So let's just try to command Jarvis to turn on this light.
Welcome back, sir. The current time is 7 hours 56 minutes and 43 seconds. The current date is 12/5/2020. Good evening, AK-47. Jarvis at your service. Please tell me, how can I help you?
Jarvis, turn on lamp.
Okay, sir, turning on lamp.
So as you guys can see, it has turned on the lamp. So you can give any other name to this thing, so it will try to turn on this thing. And I'm using the same flash server on the Raspberry Pi to control this thing. So let's just try to turn off this lamp using the Jarvis AI assistant. Jarvis, turn off lamp.
Okay, sir, turning off lamp.
So as you guys can see, Jarvis is able to like control this thing on the real time, and it is not taking any kind of delay. So if you like this video, then please give it a like and also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. If you have some ideas of the project, so you can leave down in the comments, so I will be trying to make that project for you. So thanks for watching the video. I will see you in the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.